Let's talk about FAD Assali. I'm here with Michele Vicenti. You received a mention for your innovation. What did you do? What did you invent? Since it received a mention, it means that you improved an existing product. Well, we already had a hydraulic suspension. In this case, we're talking about an independent suspension with a variable track width. That's the addition. That's something that didn't exist for suspensions. There were on the market axles with a variable track width, but this is the first time that there is a suspension with variable track width. And what are the advantages without getting too technical? Well, the suspension has a very specific purpose. Since it has a variable track width, it can distribute the load on the ground differently from classic trailers. The advantage of a variable track width is to reduce the side, to reduce the impact on the ground, which in its turn leads to better crop yield, and with compaction there is also a problem with water flow, and this avoids compaction of the ground. And there is also a considerable energy efficiency because this suspension requires 20% less diesel, less fuel than a traditional suspension. Did you collaborate with universities or research institutions to design this component? We worked with another two companies. FAD Assali, as FAD Assali we build the axles, then there's DBD which produces the suspensions, and then there's FW Engineering which carried out the project. So this was a collaboration between three different companies. What markets are you addressing? Well, of course, we can address the Italian and the international markets, maybe even more the international market. Our main target is tower producers. Then we can work also with large farms or third-party suppliers. Thank you and congratulations a lot. See you at Eima.